Hey, how is it going? So today I have the Adidas Ultraboost Light with me, and I have already actually unboxed it because I just couldn't wait to see how it looks before I put it on video. So let's just take it out of the box without any preamble and see what these shoes are like. It has got the N plastic was socio environmental thing. We'll come to that later. So this is the Adidas Ultraboost Light, a new addition to the Ultraboost line, widely popular Adidas Ultraboost line for 2023. So the Ultraboost lineup, which they used to release every year, is out. But this year it's gone, and it has been replaced completely by this, the Ultraboost Light. So what is different? Well, speaking as someone uh, who has heavily been into the Ultraboost line, if you have seen any of my past videos, you will know that I am a huge fan of the Ultraboost line. I believe they are not just in shoes, or not even in running shoes. I believe they are some of the most beautiful industrial, beautiful looking, sleek products, consumer products ever made. I have around 7 or 8 pairs consisting of Ultra Boost and Boost 4D and Boost 4D Pulse. All of this I have around 7 or 8 pairs. But this is something different. So here is how it looks like. The silhouette is what attracts me to the Ultra Boost line first of all. So when the Boost came out first in around I think 2013 or so, it initially got a lot of acclaim. It was not exactly a running shoe. I mean, although it can be marketed as a sports shoe, but it is what Adidas would themselves refer to as a uh, sports style shoe. So yes, you can do some running in them. The Boost sole is meant for running and everything, is meant for physical activities, but that is not the sole purpose. It is a lifestyle shoe. It is designed to make you look good with whatever you wear. So, um, while Boost was a revolutionary technology, um, it was also apparently, according to Adidas, it was also heavy. It was thick. It was heavy. The Boost bubbles, the Boost foam is that comprises the midsole. It was thick and heavy. So there were some complaints about it probably. So for 2023, with this new iteration, what Adidas have done is the Boost in the midsole is 30% lighter, even though the quality of energy return is still the same. So it is 30% lighter, and that's where most of the weight saving comes from. Now I wear this is a 7.5 that I wear, and for a 8.5 Adidas quotes it at 299 grams. Um, so yeah, now about the upper is the usual prime knit, Adidas prime knit. Uh, so extremely breathable. It has got a slight two-tone pattern to it. The lace case is still the same. I like this subtle orange accents. So it still says Ultra Boost, but if you come here on the other side, it says Light Boost, and even here on the sole, it is Light Boost. The ending is different. The heel is different here. The heel arch support is also smaller, and this ankle support was not there in any of the Ultra Boost before. and I'm not sure I actually like it because I like the smooth flowing pattern of the previous Ultra Boost, the 21 to 22, 19 and so on. I think it detracts from the overall smoothness of the design, but that's fine. The streak that used to run from here all the way up to here is gone. That is also something I didn't like. So, but what I like is the shoe has become slicker, smaller, and less, what's the word? Less in your face. This is something, but it has also lost a bit of its individuality. Like, I feel that it could be now mistaken for the cheaper Adidas Solar Boost or some other line. Adidas has many other lines which cost around $80 or so. Um, and this shoe, apart from the Ultraboost branding, the beautiful prime knit, might be mistaken for a cheaper shoe if you are into that sort of thing. But other than that, this is the logo here is embossed directly. There is no Adidas here. That's different. What else is new? Yeah, both the sides. There are small lines, there are small wavy lines on the sides. That's what I was saying. So overall, I really love this shoe still, even despite all my complaints that it has lost its individuality. It is a slicker. It is a mini. It has gone even more futuristic. And while I'm not, anyways, I'm not going to be using it for running. For that, I have the Adidas Light Strike Pro and my Essex and Saucony for that. So this is going to be a shoe that I will take to office, take to wear to the gym, etc. So for that, I love this new color scheme. I still think this is one of the best looking shoes ever made. And while I would have wished for more revisions than just lightening the sole. I never had a problem with the weight anyway. So while I would have wished for a more radical redesign, this still works for me. So let me just put it on the feed, and I will show you how it looks on feed, and you can have a look. Yeah. Oh, another thing about the boost sole, it has got something for Adidas has something proprietary called LEP, Light Energy Propulsion. Yeah. So that technology is still here. Yes, it is still here. As you can see, Adidas LEP in the red. So yeah, that's about it. The Adidas Ultraboost Light for 2023. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.